Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. Today we have some very exciting news. That's why I'm coming to you with this real-time live type video. The UPS man just rang the doorbell and dropped off what I believe to be my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So hopefully it is, and if so, we will do an unboxing. So let me flip the camera here and we will go to the door. Here we go, get up here. All right. Let's check it out. Obviously, this is what I hope the package is. Okay. Get a knife here. Right. Okay, says iPhone. This is it. Here we go. This is the new Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max that we've purchased for video recording the sermons and messages for Social Media Ministries. So let's check it out. I'm going to see about getting it out of the packaging here. Kind of like opening up a CD, but here we go. Okay, it's kind of slick. And I think that just drops out of there. Kind of tough with one hand. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, so there it is. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at that camera. The videos are going to be in much better quality. They'll be so great. So thank you everyone for your support, your continuous help with everything, and with all of the sharing that you guys do with the videos, and all of your views, likes, comments, subscribes, and everything, etc. So if you'd like to continue to support the channel financially, you can do that in the description below. You can also contact us on our Facebook page for donate links, etc. But thanks again. Thanks so much for helping to make this possible. We like to keep bringing you the really good quality, high quality type content. So once again, thank you guys so much for all of your help and support. It really means a lot to me, and I sincerely appreciate it, because without your help and your support, we couldn't make this happen, and Social Media Ministries wouldn't happen. So even if it's just sharing the videos and viewing them and giving me the encouragement of seeing the view count go up and the likes and the subscribes go up, I really do appreciate it. So thanks again so much. God bless.